Meaning of devote.
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 Devote. Devote means to give all or a large part of one's time, effort, or resources to a particular activity or person. It implies a strong commitment and dedication to this activity or person. When someone devotes themselves to something, they prioritize it over other things and may make sacrifices to achieve their goals. The result of devotion is typically a high level of achievement or progress in the chosen area, as well as a sense of personal fulfillment and satisfaction. However, it can also lead to neglect of other aspects of life if not balanced properly.